folks, this is the Food Down coming at you again with another delicious video. Once again in my kitchen, doing another cooking vlog. And mind you, this is actually 2 videos in one day. I've never done that before. 2 videos in one day. Must be not busy at all. But anyway, my early watch. Haven't posted that video yet, but that was breakfast that I made this morning, right? 2 different meals, same day. Right, so I made breakfast this morning, and now I'm about to make some dinner, right? And it's 5:36 right now. Right, it's a little late, but you know, it's gonna be dinner nevertheless. We had a few things to do today. We had a few running rounds to do today. Went shopping, all that good stuff. Came back home, unpacked the stuff. My wife is sleeping. She's not feeling too well. Her stomach doesn't feel so great. That stomach hasn't been feeling so great for the past couple of days, right? So the Food Don is about to make some soup. See? So Food Don drip right there. Food Don apron. Yeah, they're about to be on sale, people. You gotta copy one, whichever color you like. But anyway, I'm making soup. I'm making some chicken soup. I figure chicken soup will be, you know, very good. As far as the day is concerned, it's still raining out there. It's still raining out. It's still wet out there. It's been raining all day, folks. You know, it's been raining all day. You know, so I figured some chicken soup will set the mood right. So that's what's about to happen in the Food Don's kitchen. Right, so make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all share this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Alright, I'm trying to get my channel to 1,000, right, so I can monetize and start making a little bit of money. Alright, so give me 2,000, and I gotta think about something I can do. So we give them 2,000. The last person that give them 2,000 first, I'll give them a little gift. That's gonna be a giveaway. If I have no cook for you, I'm gonna buy you something. We'll do something. But anyway. You know, give them 2,000 and we can chit chat. So anyway, make sure y'all like this cooking vlog. Alright, make sure y'all give that thumbs up button. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, share, and all that great stuff. Alright, so let's get on with the cooking. I'm not gonna do as much talking in here. Alright, I ain't got no time for that today, people. I gotta cook. Alright, wife is hungry. Alright, so I'm gonna get cooking. Let's go. Alright, so I got my water going on here. Let me cover it up. I got some frozen seasoning in there. I can see, you know, that brown stuff right there. That's frozen seasoning. That's garlic, tomato, onions, peppers, and all that stuff. You know, cut up and froze. I froze them, you know, so I can use them whenever I need them. Next time I'm gonna add some split peas. You know, that'll give the soup a little thickness. And the next I'm going to add is a flour. See, I got a chicken cut. I'm prepared already. I just got to rinse it off some more and add to the pot. Actually, after the flour, after I need the flour, add the dumpling to the pot. I'm going to add the chicken. You know, third. You know, because I have the other provisions right here. I have my banana, I have my sweet potato, regular potato, piece of yam, and carrots that I'm going to add to the soup. Alright, so right now I'm going to add the split peas and let that get rolling. Alright? Some split pea soup going in there. Chicken bouillon, put that in there also. Touch it up a little bit. I just need one in there, not much. Let's cover that down and let it simmer. Alright folks, so next I'm gonna do, we're gonna get these yam, banana, and potatoes peeled. Actually, I should be meal and dumpling, but I guess since I'm doing this, I might as well continue. Alright folks, so I cut up, I peeled and prepared all the potatoes, sweet potatoes, bananas, green bananas, carrots, yam. In a few minutes I'm going to cut them up and get on the pot. Alright? Alright my good people, it's time to make some dumpling. Alright, time to knead the flour. I figured 3 large spoons of cornmeal. I love to use cornmeal with my flour. I really like the straight cornmeal. And that should be good. 4 large spoons of flour. Alright, I'm not gonna make a lot of dumpling. I'm actually gonna make some large thinners and put in that pot. That back up, put it away. And of course, no salt added, people. No salt added. I just, flour and water. The less salt, better. There we go, so that should be a good amount of water. And here's the dumpling. Get the dough prepared to get it ready and knead. Get it nice and hard. I think I might need a little bit more water to get it to the consistency I want it. Just a bit more. There we go. I think that might be the perfect amount of water. Put the flour down. Put the flour and the cornmeal I have on the plate. and gentlemen, it's time for the chicken to go in. Some water, and pour that bad boy in. I don't know. I see a lot of people I've seen that make soup for seasoned chicken before they put it in. I figure, you know, I'd rather not do that. I like the flavor from the natural taste of the chicken, and plus I'm going to season the broth afterwards. I'm going to season soup afterwards anyway, so it's not necessary for me to season the chicken and then put it in there and then put more seasoning in the pot. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit and steam. I'll let it sit and cook, and then add my seasoning to it. That's actually the last thing I'll do. You know, I'm gonna add my provision, my potatoes, my yam, bananas, and all that stuff to the pot, and then add my seasoning afterwards. I usually like doing that like 15 minutes or so before everything is done. All right, so I'm gonna cover it back up and let it cook. Alright folks, I'm pretty sure y'all heard that noise in the background, that machine, you know, going. That was my chopper. Alright, so I had to chop up some carrots, and I'm going to add it to the pot. Some nice flavor, give it a beautiful color. Alright, so that's that right here. Water, give it a quick stir. See all that color? See? Not orangey. Yeah, once all that carrot and stuff like that dissipates, it's gonna give it a nice flavor and a nice color. Now the last thing I'm gonna add to this, like I said, is my potatoes, my yam, bananas. All those things are very easy to cook. And back to the reason why I like putting the chicken in afterwards, because a lot of people like putting their chicken in. Actually, what I've learned since I started making soup, and I kind of learned, you know, the hard way, because usually when I cook my soup, the meat and stuff like that kind of get kind of mashy and, you know, and chewy and stuff like that. What I've learned is not to put the chicken in first. All right. The basic premise is for you to get your chicken whole, you know, and wholesome, all right, and not, you know, broken up in pieces, is to put the chicken in after your dumpling. You know, like maybe like 10 minutes or so after you put your dumpling in, and then you put everything else in afterwards. You know, so that you get a flavor from the chicken when the water and stuff like that start boiling, everything's all mixing up together, and then you put your food, your ground provision in afterwards. All right, so I'm going to let that sit, cover it up, let that sit, you know, for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to add my rest of the stuff in there. Alright folks, it is time to add the rest of the stuff in the pot and get the show on the road. There we go, all the good stuff in here. Oh, all that water coming out. Yeah, Let's get that out of there. You want that in there. All the good stuff in there, all the bad stuff out. Ooh, that pot is full. Yes. rim, people. That's what love is. That's a love in that pot. Yeah, baby. Yes, folks, and I did put noodle in there earlier. Yeah, so the noodle's in there ready. So I'm going to turn this sucker down a little bit. Cover it up, and it's going to make a little mess. There's a lot of liquid in there. See how full that thing is? Yes. Full to the rim.